In the heart of Ardèche, France, ancient chestnut forests echo stories from centuries past. From the plump chestnuts carefully harvested by dedicated hands to the modern processing lines that transform them into high-quality products, this is a blend of tradition and technology. This journey is not just about production, it's a symbol of passion and the rich culinary heritage of France. So, what makes these chestnuts so special and beloved worldwide? Let's find out together. Under the warm sunshine of spring or the cool breeze of autumn, this is the perfect time to cultivate chestnut trees. During these months, the soil is moist enough and the favorable climate helps young trees thrive. Chestnut trees are not in a hurry. It takes about 3 to 7 years for them to start producing round, vibrant chestnuts. For optimal growth, choose nutrient-rich soil with good drainage and an ideal pH level between 5.5 and 6.5. Sunlight is essential as chestnut trees should be planted in a location with plenty of light, although they can tolerate a bit of shade when necessary. Plant spacing is also very important. A distance of 8 to 10 meters between trees should be maintained to give each tree enough space for its branches to spread and its root system to develop sustainably. This careful preparation will reward you with promising chestnut harvests. Chestnut trees take about 3 to 5 years to bloom after being planted. When the flowers bloom, farmers use paper to protect them from insects and frost, ensuring healthy development. The process from flowering to ripe fruit takes around 4 to 6 months. After months of care, the ripe chestnuts are a well-deserved reward for the farmer's patience and hard work. Beneath the canopy of chestnut trees, heavy with fruit, the harvest season begins, bringing with it the lively rhythm of nature and the excitement of hardworking farmers. The blend of traditional harvesting methods with modern technology creates a harmonious symphony where each heartbeat and step contributes to the sweet success of the entire season. First comes the hand-picking process, a task that requires precision and patience. Diligent hands gather each fallen chestnut, carefully navigating the spiky outer shells to protect the precious nut inside. Every hour of work yields not only 5 to 10 kilograms of chestnuts, but also embodies the gardener's pride, seeing their hard work culminate in each plump, round chestnut. Next, with a gentle tap of a stick on the branches, ripe chestnuts fall like golden raindrops, echoing through the air with the pleasant sound of abundance. This is not just work, it is a small ritual, a part of tradition, allowing the harvest team to gather around 50 kilograms of chestnuts each day. The precision and skill in each tap are a testament to the deep bond between humans and nature, passed down through generations. The method of using small hand-rolled wire baskets is not only simple, but also effective, acting as a helpful companion that makes gathering chestnuts faster without the need for excessive bending. After just a few hours, the wire baskets are filled with 20 kilograms of chestnuts, serving as a vivid testament to hard work and creative labor. And with the advent of technology, modern machinery brings exceptional power. On an area of 500 square meters, within just 1 hour, the machine can collect up to 100 kilograms of chestnuts, quickly, efficiently, and impressively. This is the blend of tradition and modernity, where people continuously seek to enhance productivity while preserving the full value of each chestnut. At the end of a workday, the harvest yield can reach between 500 to 700 kilograms, carrying with it the essence of hard work, joy, and hope. The chestnuts are carefully selected, ready for the next stage of processing, ensuring that each one retains the natural flavor and quality of the land that nurtured them. This is not just a story of harvesting, but a journey of passion and resilience. After the chestnuts are harvested and transported to the factory, their journey enters a whole new phase, the processing stage. This is where modern technology and meticulous procedures ensure the optimal quality of each chestnut, from cleaning to producing appealing products. The first step is washing the chestnuts. The factory can process up to 2 tons of chestnuts daily, ensuring they meet food safety standards before moving on to the next steps. The shelling process is complex, requiring precision and advanced technology. High-accuracy shelling machines use blades and pressure to remove the hard shells without damaging the inner flesh. On average, the factory can shell 1.5 tons of chestnuts daily, preserving their natural flavor and nutrients. This step not only saves time compared to manual shelling, but also provides stable employment for dozens of workers who oversee and operate the equipment. Sorting the chestnuts after shelling is crucial to ensure only high-quality nuts are used. The chestnuts are sorted by size and ripeness using conveyor belts and automatic sorting machines. The system can process about 1 ton of chestnuts per hour, categorizing them into groups suitable for different processing purposes. This step not only guarantees product quality, but also helps the factory optimize yield and reduce waste. The process of making chestnut candy is an enticing highlight. The chestnuts are steamed and combined with natural ingredients to create a sweet, nutritious treat. These chestnut candies have a distinctive, nutty flavor and are carefully packaged before reaching the market. Each day, the factory produces around 500 kilograms of chestnut candy, providing a stable income for hundreds of local families. The benefits of chestnuts go beyond their unique taste and nutritional value. Rich in vitamin C, fiber, and minerals, they also contribute to sustainable employment for workers, from farmers to factory laborers. The processing plant isn't just a production site, it's a bridge between traditional agriculture and modern industry, helping boost the local economy and bringing this region's chestnuts to the global market. It's a story of creativity, perseverance, and passion that gives each chestnut its enduring vitality. After all, from the lush fields to the bustling factory, chestnuts are more than just a product. They're the embodiment of hard work, ingenuity, and love for the land. Enjoy these chestnuts and let's appreciate the inspiring journey they've been on. If you find this story interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more meaningful and captivating stories. Thank you for being with us.